years that you folks have been running this tournament. I know you as a family have had an extremely busy year, and we were so grateful that you found the energy and had that wonderful commitment to take the memorial on again this year. So thank you so much for that. I understand that the portion that comes to the hospital was initially triggered with the passing of George Tevis, who was, of course, a very active member of the KGH Foundation Board. And we're just really honored to have something in George's name and honoring your parents and Liz Doyle coming to the hospital. So we thank you.
Through our Ambassador Hotel, Liz Doyle Memorial, Joe and Maria Melo, we are contributing a check in the amount of $11,500.
Listen, I just want to say on behalf of the pediatrics program, and in particular, specifically Hotel Duke Hospital, we realize that pediatric care happens in these two institutions, and I think Kelly's going to speak to the KGH side. The Hotel Duke Center is where the bulk, I would say, of child health in Kingston occurs, which is those kids who don't need the acute care at hospitals, but need the ongoing supportive clinics. And so at Hotel Duke, we have a very busy children's outpatient center where we see about 8,000 kids a year. And what we see in that is some of the bumps and bruises and things that we expect from normal childhood, but some of them are very specialized clinics delivering very specialized care that if in fact that didn't exist, these kids would have to go to Toronto, move away from, or at least have a big disruption in their care. So this money helps us to keep that program running, keep our facilities, equipment up to date so that we can continue to provide that. So I want to just say thank you, not only just from me as one of the physician leaders in that program, but from the families to say, listen, you're making our lives it's sometimes difficult, or obviously difficult, looking after a child that might have complex medical needs and are allowing them to continue close to home. So I want to say on their behalf, thank you very much for the work and effort and really the support that you're showing to us as their caregivers in the
I'm here to speak on behalf of the inpatient piece with KGH, with the pediatric program, and to give to you share with you the importance of what you're providing us as a program, particularly for our patients that are inpatients and the staff themselves. We always talk about how important it is to keep that family dynamic together so that the parents can stay with their children. And it's much more than that, because the families themselves also need support. And so by having the gifts and contributions that you provide us, we're able to keep that care level here so that those families can stay here with their children and get the support from their own family members or friends within the community. So that's a huge impact for us. Also from the staff's behalf too, it's being able to work with up-to-date technology and equipment that makes their work important to them, to be able to know that they're providing the highest quality of care that's safe and up-to-date. So a big heartfelt thank you from our program, but also from the staff themselves to allow us, supporting them to keep doing what we're happy to do.
Thank you. We're very happy to have you.
Thank you.